In today's video, I'll show you how to use the haunted doors animation, which reveals your video as spooky doors open right at the beginning. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is already placed on the timeline. Since this is an opening animation, it's best to apply it at the very start of the clip. Now tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the beginning, which is exactly where this effect is designed to work. Scroll through the list of animations and look for haunted doors. Once you apply it, you'll see the video revealed as eerie doors open, creating a dark and suspenseful introduction. To adjust how the animation feels, use the duration slider at the bottom. Dragging it to the left makes the doors open faster for a sudden and intense reveal. Dragging it to the right slows the movement down, which helps build tension and works well for horror or suspense edits. Preview the animation a couple of times and fine-tune the timing so it matches the pacing of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a haunted doors opening animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.